The order of operations follows an acronym that you should know, and it's PEMDAS. P-E-M-D-A-S, PEMDAS. Now, the P stands for parentheses, which we've all seen those. Anything inside parentheses for order of operations should be done first. That means all operations inside the parentheses done before anything outside the parentheses is touched. After the parentheses are done, we move on to the exponents. Any terms that have exponents in them, any powers, need to be taken care of. After we've done both of those, we move on to multiplication and division. Now you'll see that I've put multiplication and division on the same line. And the reason for that is that when we do multiplication and division, we don't do one before the other. We do both of them at the same time. We read left to right, and we do all of the multiplication and division together. After we're done with them, we move on to addition and subtraction. And it's very much the same thing. We read left to right, and we do all of the addition and subtraction at the same time. All right, let's give this a shot. We're going to use PEMDAS to evaluate this numerical expression. I have 1 plus 7 squared times 5 minus 3 in parentheses. All right, the first step would be parentheses. So we have to start with our parentheses. We want to start there. That's these guys here. So what we do is we say, all right, I'm not changing anything else. I'm still going to have 1 plus 7 squared times 5 minus 3 inside the parentheses is 2. So it will be 1 plus 7 squared times 2. That is all of our parentheses taken care of. Now, according to PEMDAS, the next thing we would want to do would be exponents. So that's our next step. We have one term with an exponent, and that is 7 squared. Well, 7 squared is 49. So 1 plus 49 times 2. Again, nothing else changed, just the exponent. After we're done with that, PEMDAS says we need to deal with the multiplication and division. Now, since there's no division in this particular problem, we're just going to look at multiplication, which we have here. So we're going to multiply. I have 49 times 2. 49 times 2 is 98. So I have 1 plus 98. The 1 plus hasn't changed yet because that's addition, and that doesn't come until the end, which, coincidentally, is where we're at now. We have to do one last thing, and that is add. We don't have any subtraction because there is no subtraction in this problem, so once we've added this together, we'll be done. 1 plus 98 is 99, and that is our answer.